Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a home symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Now, how to insert the home symbol in your Google Sheet web on the PC or computer. So if you are using an insert option, if you're just searching for the simple option, there is no simple option. So you just need to use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. So the alternative keyboard shortcut was Alt key with 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first of all, just click inside the cell. Just press the Alt key on your keyboard. Type the 2, 3, 4 on the keyboard. It automatically release the key, it automatically create the home symbol. So if you don't understand, just comment below, just have a real video. Now you just need to press the Alt key, type 2, 3, 4, just leave the key, space. Press the Alt key, type 2, 3, 4, leave the Alt key, it automatically create the home symbol. This is how you just insert the home symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.